XGIMI Titan Noir. Max V's Pro versus Standard. Which projector should you buy? If you're looking for a serious home theater projector, XGIMI's Titan Noir lineup is worth a close look. The Standard, Pro, and Max share the same basic platform, but brightness, contrast, and price increase as you move up the range. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. All three use RGB triple laser light sources, 4K resolution, a 0.47-inch DLP chip, and a flexible 0.98:2 throw ratio with powered zoom and lens shift. They also support features such as Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, 3D, and gaming up to 240 Hz at 1080p with very low input latency. The Standard Titan Noir is the entry point, rated at 4800 ISO lumens with up to 7,000/1 native contrast. It's the sensible option if you want premium laser projection without paying for the highest specifications. The Pro steps up to 6000 ISO lumens and up to 8,000/1 native contrast. That extra brightness and contrast can make a difference for larger screens or rooms where you don't have perfect light control. Then there's the Titan Noir Max. It reaches 7000 ISO lumens and up to 10,000/1 native contrast. The Max also uses XGIMI's dual intelligent iris system, designed to improve the balance between bright highlights and darker scenes. Independent testing has found the Max delivers excellent brightness, contrast, and color, making it particularly strong for serious home theater use. All three have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, 3 HDMI ports, USB connectivity, gigabit LAN, and Harman Kardon 2x12-watt speakers. One important limitation is that the Titan Noir Max does not include a built-in smart TV operating system, so you'll need an external streaming device for your movies and shows. So which one should you buy? The Standard is best if value matters most. The Pro is the middle ground for buyers wanting more brightness and contrast. And the Max is the choice for enthusiasts who want the strongest picture performance and the most advanced iris system. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which Titan Noir you would choose.